Okay, here we go. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the headlight switch out of 2020 to 2025 Audi SQ7. This is the Usdm version, so it doesn't have the rear fog light button option. So I was searching on eBay and I found this OEM beautiful headlight switch out of a Q7, I think it is. The part number is 4K1941501A. This is the gloss black with the rear fog light option. And I'm gonna show you how to replace it today. So first off, get yourself some nice plastic puller stuff. I have this one as well. First thing you want to do is pull fuse box cover. Second part to pull is this one. Pry gently from the bottom. Both the tabs. There's two tabs that get right here. Then you want to pull this plastic screw right here with a T30. And if you can, you leave a little bit just to pull the rest of it. In this case, it didn't come off. You grab one of yours pullers right here. Take it off. Like so. Like so. Don't lose it. And then finally the fun part. I'm gonna try to pry it from down here. It comes off like so. There are all little tabs right here that gets connected to the metal one on the dash. You pull your electric plug like so. Has this tab right here. You can either push it from the top right here if you have small finger enough to do that. I use my plastic puller. I just wedge it in between the switch and the plug and pull it out. And like so, you have your panel off. And now I'm gonna show you how to replace the switch. Okay, once you have the switch off, you're gonna need to pull these two bolts right here. I use a 5.5 millimeter socket. I'm sure that is like the equivalent in standard size, but I had Magic right now with me, so I'm using these. You pull them like so, and there are these 1, 2, 3, and 4 tabs. You pry them a little bit, don't break them. On both sides. Gently. And then you gently pull it like that. Once you've done that, you're now ready to install your new headlight switch, like so. Put these little screws back on. And your headlight panel with the headlight switch is now completed and installed. And now you're installed back in the car, the reverse order. So I said we're gonna put this back on, the reverse order we did. Gonna plug this in first, foremost. Gonna line it up with the hose, gently push it. Everything goes back to places. Don't forget our little screw here. Just like so. Just back. And finally, your last piece of the puzzle, which is cover back on. Stop the car. And just like that. Just like that, we have our rear fog light on our Usdm SQ7. As you can see, the look is absolutely beautiful. It's in panel black, just like the dash. The feedback on it, it's so nice. It's more of a deeper sound, and this is a mod that costs you around 100 bucks. That's what I bought this for, 100 bucks on eBay in Europe, and got shipped to me for like 20 bucks, and the install was like what, 10 minutes probably. So yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more.